Welcome to Angel Answer. Beautiful soul, think of a question and angels will give you the answer. Are you ready? Let's go. You are more than ready. You are super ready. Even if you feel or think that you're not, this is the green light. This is the green light. This is the omen. This is the signal that you have been waiting for. Do not procrastinate. However, we have been given a very powerful gift. It's called free will. And you can decide. You have the power. But remember, we all regret more things that we don't do. So, buckle up, roll up the sleeves, and ready. Have a lovely day.